Hello, this is Mari Ryan from Launch Funnel Studio with another top tech tip. Today I want to show you a tool that I really love it's a transcribing tool called Descript. It's one of I've used a few different transcribers and this is one of my favorites. I find it easy to use and it's got some great AI tools, one of which I'm going to show you today. So when you land in the dashboard of Descript, you've got the option of creating a new project, and that would be either a video project or an audio project, because you can also edit podcasts on here as well. So today I'm going to be doing a video project because I'm going to show you how, with a few clicks of a button, how you can turn a long video and chop it up into short reels that make sense on their own. Without you having to watch the video, pause it, cut it in Canva, or go into a transcribing tool and cut it manually. It does it all for you. And it picks out things that work together just as a standalone reel. So I'm going to go, instead of going to video project, because it takes a while to upload, and in the words of Blue Peter, here's one I did earlier. So let me just open that. Okay, so here is a very old video of me, and you can see it's got the transcribing in here. Now, just to tell those of you that are new to Descript quickly how you edit a video, this is why I love Descript. You actually can edit it by deleting the words. So say there's a big chunk of the scene in a video that you want to delete, you just delete what they say in that video, and then that will delete that section. So it's such an easy way to edit. Well, I find it very easy. But today, well, I'm not showing you that. What I'm showing you is the repurpose option on Underlord. Underlord is Descript's AI tool. So today I'm going to show you how to create clips from your long video. So it says here, Underlord picks the most viral worthy moments and creates clips that pop. Okay, so I'm going to create a clip, and it's you can decide to change this number of clips duration. This is just a guideline because what it will do is it will pull out what works together. So you can give this guideline, and then it might not necessarily, the clip duration might not necessarily be 45 seconds. It might be longer. So it doesn't really matter what you put here. So okay, there's loads of different designs, but I just tend to just choose one because I like to tweak it myself afterwards. Because one thing that Descript doesn't do is it doesn't consider the border of a reel where you shouldn't put words, because there's a certain sections of the reels that you shouldn't put your words because people can't see them because of other things that pop up on a reel on the phone. So I'm just going to go with that, and then I'm going to tweak it myself. So we're going to go for 3 clips because this is only a 7-minute video, so I don't think we can get any more than that. And I want these reels to be really good. And then I'm just going to press submit. And it takes usually a minute or so, sometimes quicker. Okay, so here we are with 3 clips. So there's one called the essential tips for every new business owner. Every business planning, easy business planning, no 30-page documents needed, from plan to full-time success 1 year later. Okay, so this one's 38 seconds, perfect for a reel. This one's 50 seconds, still perfect for a reel. And this one is 36. So yeah, still all under the maximum amount that you need for a reel. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this one. And you can see what it's done is it's actually changed it to the right size. And then I'm going to press play to have a look at it. I highly recommend you looking into writing a business plan. And if you're a new business, please go to your chamber of commerce. You can see here, have a look online. There's free stuff out there for you. I highly recommend. So it's chopped it up, so it started at a sentence that would make sense. If you've enjoyed today, please write me a comment. Now I'm going to go ahead and this is far too big. And I want to, now usually, this is a very old video, so my head wouldn't be so far down, but it's just to show you the purpose of this video. So I'm going to click on here, and then I can change the fonts. So I like quite a simple font. Also, I don't want it to be that big. I would say 80. And then you can see here that it's done that for me. You can also change the colors of the fonts. If you click here, you've got more options as well. So you can customize, you can put a border around it if you want, or a background. I quite like to do a background. So I like to have usually like to have a white background, or a coloured background, and then have white writing. That's quite nice and easy. It makes the words pop a bit more. So yeah, and then that's it. And then you can download it. You can move it around so it's in the right place, because you don't want to. I have a tool that I use in Canva that actually shows you the border of where you shouldn't put anything on a reel. So you kind of want it about here, so it's not cut off. And then when you're happy with it, you just simply export, and then that's your reel. And once you've done this one, you can if you go up here, the other ones are also saved as well. So you can go in and edit them. So there is a bit of tweaking at the end, so you can get it to look how you want and use your brand colors and things like that. But it's a hell of a lot quicker than having to chop it up on Canva. And that's my top tech.